All right, so right now I'm standing outside of a 2021 Honda Civic EX-L, and today I'm going to walk around this vehicle, show you guys all the cool standard features and functions. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe. Thank you very much in advance. Now let's walk up here to the Ramoni sticker as usual. You guys are welcome to pause the video here to explore on your own or continue to explore with me. Up on the top right hand corner talks about your fuel economy. It's 32 for the city, 42 for the highway with a combined of 36. Down on the right hand corner talks about your safety ratings, 5 out of 5. Who doesn't love that? Where the vehicle's made at, it's a US made product, the price point, and then the list of standard features, which we're going to cover today. All right, comes standard with 2 key fobs and remote start. To use remote start, it's going to be easy. Just hit lock twice, 1, 2, click and hold this button down here for a few seconds. Lights will flash here in a second. It's going to start right up, runs in 10-minute intervals. Heats and cool the car to 72 degrees, and the doors will remain locked. All of your Honda sensing features come standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, your forward collision magnetic braking with road departure. You're going to have a 1.5 turbo 4-cylinder with a CVT transmission. And you're also going to have 174 horsepower. Now, you're also going to have nice little fog lights down below with a little bit of chrome action around them. Looks pretty nice and aggressive. Nice little gloss black finish grille. Daytime running lights. Start from right here, kind of wrap around to the top. This particular color is called Cosmic Blue. We'll step right over here to the nice gray finish of these alloyed 17-inch rims. Got a nice little bit of chrome action on the top half here of the windows. Nice body colored handles and side mirror. The side mirror is going to be heated. We're going to have smart entry with the vehicle, so let's say it's all locked up. Just make sure. There we go. I can walk up to the car with the key fob in my purse, my jacket, wherever, put my hand in the handle. It senses that, and there we go. I can unlock it. Now to lock it too, you can simply walk away with the key fob, hit this button right there, it locks everything, or I can use the walk away auto lock feature. Now those days of accidentally, oops, my key fell in my pocket. There it goes. I hit the lock button. You cannot accidentally lock yourself out of the car anymore with those key fobs. Those days are over. We're also going to have a capless gas tank. So when the car is unlocked, you simply walk to the gas tank, push that right in, pops right open. No longer a $2 cap to argue and debate with. It's a simple slide and go. So we step here towards the back. You can have LED taillights. This makes a bold statement as we apply onto the brakes for safety, of course. A multi-angle rear camera. Then we have a nice little chrome down on the skid plate down below. I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised with the cargo space in the trunk. Nice little padding within the trunk, just so you don't have to hear the road noise, and then also hear things jumping around back there. It's going to be a split seat. Back seats are going to be, so you can choose what seat you want to put down if you need that additional space. Spare tire down below with those additional tools you may need for those unforeseen events. Also, once again, those days of accidentally locking your keys in the trunk because of the gym bag, groceries, whatever, are over. It senses that key fob in there, automatically pops right back up. Now on the back, you're also going to have this nice deck spoiler. We'll take a little side step over here on the passenger side because we have the Honda LaneWatch. Now the LaneWatch is going to be a little camera over here on the passenger side mirror. So every time someone turns on their indicator on the right hand side, it would display what's going on over there on the sensor display. I'll show you guys that on the inside. You guessed it, we got leather interior. That's what the L stands for, the EX-L. Armrest with some additional cup holders. Nice little pocket over here on the passenger side for that additional storage space you're going to need. Carpet mats come standard, no additional charge. Nice leather again. You guys know about power windows. They got some additional cubby space down below. A little bit of nice little trim work within on the door. Let's add a little more color to it. All right, nice little bit of trim work within the front door again. You guys know about power windows, power locks, little window lock action, just in case you don't want to misbehaving. You got your mirror selector and the D-pad to adjust accordingly. Some additional cubby space. You got your trunk release, and you have your power seats. So you know you got your forward, you got your backwards, you got your up, your down, you got a little tilt action going on here in the front half. Then you got your recline. Hood release. Let's start it right up. Get into the car, make sure you have the key fob with you. You can keep it in your pocket, purse, whatever. Just make sure it's in the car. Put your foot down on the brake, hit the start button, and watch everything light up. Now over here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we got some additional buttons that we can play with. You got your road departure, forward collision magnetic braking, if you ever want to turn that off. I can't think of a reason why yet. And you also have your vehicle stability assist. Over here on your turning indicator, you see you got a little button. As you select that, without your turning indicator on, you got your Honda LaneWatch. If I hit that button again, it's going to go away. Then when I turn on my right blinker, it automatically displays. You got those point of reference for the lines there to see how far things are from that point. Now as you turn on your left blinker, as you notice, it's not going to display over there because obviously they don't want you to be turning left and looking to the right, obviously for safety reasons. We have auto lights, wipers and everything on here on the other side. The more you pull those down, the faster it's going to go. You can have some more of your hands-free for your phone over here. You can answer your phone calls, hang up, back up in the menu button with voice command. Click that. Hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone. Gives me a call. I'll answer all of you guys' questions if I'm saved in your phone book. You got your media controls over here. You know, your volume. You can display over here between your radio stations, different modes, stuff like that. Then also the menu. So you got your menu buttons. You select that. I'll just quietly thumb through this so you guys can see. If you folks have any questions about anything that you see in here or throughout the video, feel free to drop a comment down below, or you can contact me, Crazy Honda Chris, here at Randy Kell Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. All right, now we're also going to have a Honda sensing on the right-hand side. You can tell when that's available by the green writing that's up there. If you don't see that green writing, hit this main button. All right, smack that. As you see, the green writing goes away. I hit it again, it comes up, so it's available. Now you got your cruise controls, the set button, you can adjust the speeds from that. You have your adaptive cruise control, which you can use at any given time when your cruise control's on. So let's say we're cruising and we're going, I don't know, 40 miles an hour and the car in front of you is going 35. So keep that in mind. So we got a cruise control set. You can hit this button here. You can set the distance between you and the car in front of you, right? More lines means further, less lines means closer. Once it detects that car that's going slower in front of us, we'll display a little white car, like this button shows, right up there, and also a beep. You turn that beep on or off, it will slow you down to maintain that distance. So you will go from 40 to that 35 miles an hour. Once they get out of the way, you'll resume back to whatever your cruise control was at. We have your lane keep assist is for your highway driving between 45 and 90 miles an hour, and it has to find lines on the road. So let's say we're going the proper speed and we do find lines on the road, which we're not, so that's why it's hollowed out dotted lines up there. Maybe filled in white dotted lines as a visual confirmation that your lane keep assist is working. So now with lane keep assist, as you're kind of cruising around, daydreaming, get out of your lane a little bit, it will have lane departure, then also bring you back. It will also beep. You can choose to have that beep on or off, but it brings you back and recenters you. Down below, you have your telescope steering wheel. You know, up, down, in and out, all that good stuff. Now over here, we got a nice little touchscreen going on. Your home menu, you got your music options. Hit source. You got FM, AM, satellite radio. You're also gonna have USB, so you don't have a CD player, but you can download your music, your CDs onto a USB thumb drive, plug and play from that point. You have iPod, Bluetooth, Pandora, then your smartphone connection. Now with satellite radio, you do get 3 months of that for free. After that, you have to contact them to continue that subscription. It's a paid subscription. Now with your smartphone connection, you also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So down here below, once I unplug that extender, you see the USB port with a picture of a phone. That's for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you download Android Auto, if you have an Android phone, you allow all their permissions and you plug it into this little extender, your phone charger, and then plug it into your phone. Then it'll display right up here. You can select that as you go to the home menu. It'll pop up right up there. Now with Apple phones, it's a plug and play. You don't have to download anything, and it's going to be the same thing. Just going to say Apple CarPlay. Now you get a display like your Apple Maps, Google Maps, other compatible apps while charging your device, and it's going to display right up here and play through the speakers. It's going to become a nice little perk, so you don't have to go to the top of the line to get that silent navigation. You can pair up multiple phones. You get your settings. You can customize all of your Honda sensing, your wallpaper, the cameras. When the door is unlocked, everything is going to be right in here. All kinds of goodies. You got your Honda Link. Now down below, we're going to have your climate control. I have everything synced right now, so let's unsync it. You can see up there on the top corners, there's a dual climate, so they can control theirs. I can sync it from that point. You got your fan speeds. We display it up top. Hit climate. It's all going to be a touchscreen. So fan speeds, different modes, AC on or off. Hit climate again, takes me right back. You can recirculate your air. You get your front defroster, rear defroster with heated side mirrors. Then we have Then we also have obviously heated seats. So with your heated seats, you got a low, medium, and high for your front seats. Nice little tray over here. We're also going to have a tray down below. And then you're also going to have a 12-volt plug-in. So we have a couple different gears here. So you got to already know about park. You got reverse. So when you throw it into reverse, your multi-angular camera automatically displays. You got nice little guidelines up there. You got little buttons down below. It's going to show you how the camera acts. Okay. So the first one's a nice, 180 degree. There's a fisheye lens back there, so you can catch a little more of your blind spot. Then you have the right behind you view. You can see the difference. Just look at that CRV, how much you can cover from that. Then you're going to have a straight down from your rear bumper view. So let's say we got our view selected. You turn your wheel. You can see that it changes colors from yellow to orange to let you know your tires are not in line. Then also kind of guides you where you're going. Put that back in the park. You got your standard drive. You have a sport drive. It's going to change the throttle of the car for more fun performance driving than the low gear drive. We have an Econ Button. When you smack that Econ, you get a nice little beautiful green leaf up there. Green leaf is going to let you know it's on. If I hit it again, it's off. Econ's going to make you more fuel efficient. It's most effective for your highway driving. You're going to be sacrificing acceleration power, AC power, and electrical power up front. All right, so you can keep it on for all of your driving. It's just going to be more effective for your highway driving. Now, the question is, when do I not want to use it? Well, you got to choose. Like say if it's 120 degrees, you want to be fuel efficient, or do you want to be comfortable? So once again, it does affect the power of your AC, all right? We're going to have your electrical parking brake. Then you have a whole brake button. You're going to have an additional USB port down here. There we go. Place for the big gulp. Cup holders. These can come out if you need to clean it for any kind of crazy reason. Nice little hideaway tray. Once again, that can come out. The armrest can adjust. So nice leather. So with the front seats, I kind of like the leather and the little cloth, little strip going on here. Nice little trim work within on the dash. Glove box, deep enough, challenge accepted, fill it up, forget about what's ever in there. Now we're going to have an auto dimming rear view mirror, so it's going to reduce those bright lights so you're not going blind. We're also going to have a garage door opener, a one-touch power moonroof, opens, closes, tilts, all that good stuff like a moonroof should be doing. This button right over here, it's going to be for your dome lights. So simply, I have it on, so anytime I open up a car door, those lights are going to come on. There we go, open up. All right, so that's going to be the 2021 Honda Civic EX-L. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to drop a comment down below or contact me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kill Honda. If you guys own a Honda Civic, like to share your guys' experience, I encourage it. Share it down below. I'd love to hear a little bit of feedback on what you guys think about the Honda Civic. All right, well, thank you again, guys, for watching. This is Crazy Honda Chris, putting dreams in driveways. Enjoy your day.